Hello friends, now in this video we will see the problem set 1. नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण प्रॉब्लेम सेट 1 बघणार आहोत. या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी इंग्रजी आणि मराठी दोन्ही भाषेतनं शिकवणार आहे. प्रॉब्लेम सेटमधले सर्व एक्झाम्पल्स मी तुम्हाला अतिशय सोप्या भाषेत समजून देण्याचा प्रयत्न करणार आहे. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह फ्रॉम the answers of the questions given below. First question, how many midpoints does a segment have? The first option, only one. Second, B is 2, C is 3, D is many. Okay, now see this here. Midpoint of a segment, if M lies between A and B and the segment AM is a congruent to segment MP, then M is called the midpoint of segment AB. It means that every segment has one and only one midpoint, and hence the option A is a correct one, only one midpoint. That is how many midpoints does a segment have? Only one point. Now the next question, how many points are there in the intersection of two distinct lines? Infinite, 2, 1, not a single. Now see this here. These are the two intersecting lines. They intersect at a single point, and hence option C is correct here. Now the next question. How many lines are determined by three distinct points? The first is 2, second is 3, third is 1 or 3, and D is 6. Option A is 2, option B is 3, option C is 1 or 3, and option D is 6. Now see this here. First we consider three distinct points. They are in a collinear. They are collinear. Therefore we can draw a single line. Okay. If the points are not collinear, जर points collinear नसतील तर these are the points. They are not collinear. And here we can draw three lines. Okay. And hence the option C is correct here. That is a C, 1 or 3. If the points are collinear, only one line, and if the points are non-collinear, three lines. Next, find distance AB if coordinate of A and B are -2 and 5 respectively. First option, A is a -2, B is 5, C is 7, D is 3. Now see this here. The line first, coordinate A -2 denotes -2, B denotes 5. Okay. Now the distance AB. हे distance find out करताना आपण काय की जो मोठा कोऑर्डिनेट असतो that is a 5 is greater than -2. या मोठ्यामधनं लहान कोऑर्डिनेट आपण मायनस करत असतो. Therefore distance AB is equals to 5 minus in bracket -2 minus minus plus. Therefore distance AB is equals to 7, and hence option C is correct here. Okay. Next question. If P dash Q dash R, it means that point Q lies between P and R, and distance PQ is equals to 2, distance PR is equals to 10. Then find distance QR. Okay. Now the first option, A is 12, B is 8, C is root of 96, D is 20. Okay. Now see this here figure. Point Q ha P आणि R च्या in between आहे. Therefore we can write here P, Q, and here R. Okay. Therefore distance PR is equals to distance PQ plus distance QR. Substitute the value. आपल्याला PR दिले त्याने, that is 10 is equals to PQ is 2. 10 is equals to 2 plus distance QR. Therefore distance QR is equals to 10 minus 2, that is distance QR is equals to 8, and hence option B is correct here. Okay. Now the next. On a number line, coordinate of P, Q, R are 3, -5, and 6 respectively. State with reason whether the following statements are true or false. First, distance PQ plus distance QR is equals to distance PR. Now see this here, the number line काढणार आपण इथे. First, the point Q denotes -5. त्यासाठी तो लेफ्ट हँड साइडला असणार आहे. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट कुठला असणार आहे तर P denotes coordinate 3 and the last हा राईटला असणार आहे. Point R who denotes 6. Okay, now see this here. Coordinate of the point P is 3. Coordinate of the point Q is -5. आता PQ फाइंड आउट करणार आपण. 3 is greater than -5. Therefore distance PQ is equals to जो मोठा कोऑर्डिनेट असेल त्यातनं लहान असेल तो आपण सबट्रॅक्ट करत असतो. Therefore distance PQ is equals to 3 minus in bracket -3. This minus and minus that will become plus. Therefore 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. And hence distance PQ is equals to 8. Okay, distance PQ is 8. Next, coordinate of the point Q is -5. We will find out the distance QR find out करणार आपण आता. And the coordinate of R is 6. Okay. Therefore, we will find out distance QR is equals to big point है 6 minus in bracket -5. Okay. 6 minus in bracket -5. Therefore, distance QR is equals to 11. Okay. And the last distance PR find out करणार. Coordinate of the point P is a 3. Coordinate of the point R is 6. Therefore, 6 is greater than 3. Distance PR is equals to 6 minus 3. That is equals to 3. Okay. आता हे बघणार आपण. What about the distance PQ? Distance PQ किती तर 8. 8 plus QR. Distance QR is 11. That is 8 plus 11 is 19. Which is not equals to 3. तर 3 हे distance कोणाचं आहे तर PR चं आहे. Therefore, 8 plus 11 is not equals to 3 and hence the given statement is a false. That is the distance PQ plus distance QR is not equals to distance PR. Okay. The statement कसा आहे तर ते false आहे. Now the next example. In this way we will solve all the examples. Next, distance PR plus distance RQ is equals to distance PQ. Again see this number line Q, P and this is R. First find the distance PQ find out करना आपल्याला PQ लागतो इथे. That is equals to 8. Next distance QR पाहिजे आपल्याला. Distance QR or RQ. That is equals to 11. Okay. And the last distance PR. Distance PR, that is 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Substitute the value. Distance PR is 3. Distance RQ is 11. 3 plus 11 is not equals to distance PQ. Distance PQ किती है तर 8 है. 3 plus 11 is not equals to 8 and hence the given statement is false. Okay, this is not equal and therefore distance PR plus distance RQ is equals to distance PQ is a false statement. Okay. Next example. Okay. Distance RP plus distance PQ is equals to distance RQ. Again, see these are points. Okay. First find out the distance PQ is 8. Distance QR is equals to 11 and distance PR is equals to 3. Substitute the values. Distance PR किते the 3. Next distance PQ 8 and that is equals to distance RQ that is equals to 11 and therefore distance RP plus distance PQ is equals to distance RQ. Okay, and therefore distance RP plus distance PQ is equals to distance RQ is true statement. This statement कशी आहे तर ती correct आहे. Next, distance PQ minus distance PR is equals to distance QR. Okay, now see this here. Okay, the coordinates. Distance PQ 8 है. Distance QR is equals to 11 and distance PR is equals to 3. Substitute the value. Distance PQ is 8. Next, distance PR is 3, 8 minus 3. Okay. And the distance QR, that is equals to 11. 8 minus 3 is equals to 5 is not equals to 11. 5 is not equals to 11. And hence distance PQ minus distance PR is not equals to distance QR. Therefore, distance PQ minus distance PR is a false statement. He not equal to pi. Therefore, the statement is false. Okay. Statement was false. Now the next. Coordinate of some pairs of points are given below. Hence find distance between each pair. The first is 3, 6. Coordinate of first point is 3. Coordinate of second point is 6. 6 is greater than 3. Therefore, distance between 2 points is equals to 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Okay. Distance between the 2 points is 3. Now the next. Minus 9 minus 1. Now the coordinate of first point is minus 9. Second point is minus 1. Minus 1 is greater than minus 9. Distance between the 2 points is minus 1. Minus in bracket minus 9. This minus and minus that will become plus. Minus 1 is greater than minus 9. Therefore, we will subtract minus 9 from minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 plus 9 is equals to 8. And hence, the distance between 2 points is 8. Next, minus 4, 5. Coordinate of first point is 4. Coordinate of second point is 5. 5 is greater than minus 4. Therefore, distance between the 2 points is, we will subtract minus 4 from 5. That is 5 minus in bracket minus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. Distance between the 2 points is 9. 0 minus 2. Coordinate of first point is 0. Coordinate of second point is minus 2. 0 is greater than minus 2. Therefore, distance between 2 points is 0. Minus in bracket minus 2. This minus will become plus is equals to 2. Therefore, the distance between the 2 points is 2. Okay. Now the next is x plus 3 and x minus 3. Now here the coordinate of the first point is x plus 3 and coordinate of second point is x minus 3. It's clear that x plus 3 is greater than x minus 3 for any real value. कुठल्याही रिअल व्हॅल्यूला x plus 3 हा x minus 3 पेक्षा ग्रेटर असणार आहे. Therefore, the distance between the 2 points is x plus 3 minus in bracket x minus 3. Open the bracket, plus x minus 6 get cancelled. 3 plus 3 is 6. And hence the distance between 2 points is 6. Okay. Now next. Minus 25 minus 47. Coordinate of first point is minus 25. Coordinate of second point is minus 47. Minus 25 is greater than minus 47. Therefore, the distance between the 2 points is minus 25 minus in bracket minus 47. Minus 25 plus 47 is equals to 22. Okay. And hence the distance between the 2 points is 22. So easy example set. Okay. Now the next. 80 minus 85. Okay. Coordinate of first point is 80. Second point is minus 85. 80 is greater than minus 85. Therefore, distance between the 2 points is 80 minus in bracket minus 85. 80 plus 85 is equals to 165. Distance between the 2 points is 165. Next, coordinate of point P on a number line is minus 7. Find the coordinates of points on the number line which are at a distance of 8 units from P. Okay. Now the coordinate of the point P is a minus 7. Let A having the x coordinate be the point on the left side of P at a distance of 8 from P. Now here we consider the number line. इथे number line आपण consider करणार आहोत. त्या पॉइंट पीच्या एकदा आपण लेफ्ट हँड साईडला तो रिक्वायर्ड पॉइंट कन्सिडर करणार आणि एकदा राईट हँड साईडला रिक्वायर्ड पॉइंट कन्सिडर करणार. Therefore, let A having x coordinate be the point on the left side of P at a distance of 8 from P. Now here the first point P whose coordinate is minus 7. त्याच्या लेफ्टला जाणार आपण इथे. Coordinate is x and that point is A. Okay. It's clear that -7 is a greater than x. Okay. -7 is a greater than x. तो कुठे राईट हँड साइडला आहे, तर तो मोठा असणार आहे. इट्स मस्ट बी बिगर. Therefore, the distance, we know the distance between the AP, that is equals to 8. ते आपल्याला दिलेले इथे. That is the distance AP is equals to 8. Substitute. That is 8 is equals to. हे डिस्टन्स जर आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं असेल, that is -7 मधनं x काय करणार, तर मायनस करणार. That is 8 is equals to. We know the distance. 8 is equals to -7 minus x. And hence, this x is equals to -7 minus 8. Okay. That is equals to -15. Okay. And hence, the coordinate of the point A is -15. Therefore, coordinate of the point A is a -15. Now, next. आता आपण राईट हँड साइडला कन्सिडर करणार कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द पॉइंट P च्या राईट हँड साइडला. ओके, दिस इज कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द पॉइंट P whose coordinate of the point P is a -7. Now to the right hand side there is a point P which is at a distance of 8 units from the P. मग त्याचा कोऑर्डिनेट किती आहे, तर B चा कोऑर्डिनेट y आहे. Now here y is a greater than -7. Okay, y कुठे, the right hand side ला आहे P च्या. Therefore this point must be greater than the point P. Now we will find out the distance PB. Okay, but we know the distance PB is equals to 8. PB is equals to 8. Y is greater than -7. Therefore distance PB is equals to y minus in bracket -7. Minus minus will become plus. Therefore 8 is equals to y plus 7. And hence y is equals to 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7, that is 1. Therefore y is equals to 1. Okay. Therefore the coordinate of the point B is -1. That is the value of y is -1. And these are the 2 points. P च्या लेफ्ट हँड साइडला असणारा रिक्वायर्ड पॉइंट कोणता आहे, तर -15 which is at a distance of 8. P च्या राईट हँड साइडला असणारा पॉइंट कुठला आहे, तर तो B आहे. त्याचा कोऑर्डिनेट किती आहे, तर 1 which is at a distance of 8. Therefore there are the 2 points which are at a distance of 8 unit from the point P, which is to the left hand side. One is left hand side and another is a right hand side. And hence the coordinates of the points on the number line which are at a distance of 8 units from P are -15 and 1. Now next, if B lies between AC, that is the A dash B dash C, distance AC is 17, distance BC is equals to 6.5. Then what about the distance AB? Now the solution, this is the formula, distance AB plus distance BC is equals to distance AC. Substitute the value, distance AB, what about the BC is 6.5, AC is a 17. Therefore distance AB is equals to 17 minus 6.5. Distance AB is equals to 10.5. This is required. So distance AB is equals to 10.5. Easy questions are there. Okay. Again, Q lies between P and R. Distance PQ is a 3.4. Distance QI is equals to 5.7. Then find distance PR. Again, the same formula. Okay. Distance PR is equals to distance PQ plus distance QR. Substitute the value. Distance PR find out करायचं आपल्याला. PQ किती दिलाय, तर 3.4. QR 5.7. Therefore distance PR is equals to 3.4 plus 5.7 and that is equals to 9.1. Okay, and hence distance PR is equals to 9.1. Next, coordinate of point A on a number line is 1. What are the coordinates of point on the number line which are at a distance of 7 from A? Okay, यासारखाच प्रॉब्लेम आपण यापूर्वी बघितलेला आहे. नाव सी दिस दी नंबर लाईन. Okay, here is the point A whose coordinate is 1. Now we'll find out the 2 points which are to the left and right hand side of the point A. First, to the left hand side there is a point B whose coordinate is x. त्याचा coordinate किती तर x आहे. It's a clear that 1 is a greater than x. Okay, तो right hand side ला आहे. And therefore 1 is a greater than x. Distance AB is equals to 7. We have given. Therefore 7 is equals to 1 minus x. 1 minus 7. Therefore x is equals to minus 6. Okay, therefore the coordinate of the point B किती असणार आहे तर -6 असणार आहे. This is the first case. आता आपण राईट हँड साइडला तो अनदर पॉइंट कन्सिडर करणार. कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द पॉइंट B is a -6. Now the same. To the right hand side we consider another point C whose coordinate is y. Now here y is a greater than 1. Okay, y हा x पेक्षा आता मोठा असणार आहे. Let C having a coordinate y be the point on the right side of A at a distance of 7 from A. Y is greater than 1. Distance AC is equals to 7. What about the distance AC is fixed. That is equals to 7. And here 7 is equals to y minus 1. Y is a bigger one. Therefore y minus 1. Solve this. Therefore y is equals to 7 plus 1. Y is equals to 8. And hence coordinate of the point C is 8. And hence we have 2 points on a number line which are at a distance of 7 from A. They are -6 and 8. Therefore, the coordinate of points on a number line which are at a distance of 7 units from A are -6 and 8. Now the next question. Write the following statement in conditional form. Every rhombus is a square. Okay. Now it's a conditional form. If the quadrilateral is rhombus, then it is a square. Okay. Next, angles in linear pair are supplementary. Again, if the angles are in linear pair, then they are supplementary. Next, a triangle is formed by 3 segments. If the figure is triangle, then it is formed by 3 segments. And next, a number having only 2 divisors is called a prime number. If a number having only 2 divisors, then it is called a prime number. Okay, next, write the converse of each of the following statement. If the sum of the measures of angles in a figure is 180, then the figure is triangle. आता कॉन्व्हर्स लिहिताना आपण नंतरचं स्टेटमेंट आपण आधी घेत असतो. Okay, if the figure is triangle, then the sum of measures of the angles is 180, converse. Next, if the sum of the measures of 2 angles is 90, then they are complement of each other. Now, if 2 angles are complement of each other, then the sum of measures of 2 angles is 90. Now the next. Again, if the corresponding angles formed by a transversal of 2 lines are congruent, then the 2 lines are parallel. Okay. Now here, if 2 lines are parallel, then the corresponding angles formed by a transversal of 2 lines are congruent. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Again here, if the number is divisible by 3, then the sum of the digits of the number is also divisible by 3. Now the next, Write antecedent, that is a given part, and consequent, that is a part to be the proved. Okay, statements. If all sides of triangles are congruent, then its angles are congruent. Now first is antecedent. मग यामध्ये given काय असणार आहे? Antecedent is all sides of triangles are congruent. Consequent, all angles are congruent. Next. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. If the quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its diagonals are bisect each other. Now antecedent here, quadrilateral is parallelogram. Consequent, diagonals bisect each other. Okay. Next, draw a label figure showing information in each of the following statement and write the antecedent and consequent. First, two equilateral triangles are similar. Now see this here. Two equilateral triangles. Okay, ABC and PQR. The sides are congruent and the PQR, all the sides are equal. Consider statement in conditional form. If two triangles are equilateral, then they are similar. Two triangles are equilateral, then they are similar. Now here the antecedent. Two triangles are equilateral, that is a triangle ABC and the triangle PQR are equilateral. Now what about the consequent? Then we want to prove that the triangles are similar. That is a triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay. Next. If angles in a linear pair are congruent, then each of them is a right angle. Now here antecedent. Angles in linear pair are congruent. That is angle ABC is congruent to angle CBD. Consequent, each of the angles is right angle. That is angle ABC is equals to angle BCD is equals to 90. See this is the figure. ABC, CBD, each is 90. Okay. Now next. If the altitudes drawn on the two sides of triangles are congruent, then those two sides are congruent. Okay. ज्या साइड्सवर आपण अल्टिट्यूड्स ड्रॉ करणार आणि त्या अल्टिट्यूड्स आर कॉन्ग्रंट असतील then that two sides must be congruent. Now see this here, triangle ABC, first altitude आपण draw केलेले, second altitude. Okay, these two altitudes are congruent. They are 90. It means that first altitude is a BM on the side AC, second altitude is a CN on the side AB. Then these two sides must be congruent. That is, AB is a congruent to AC, and we have given that the altitudes, that is, a BM is a congruent to CN. Then segment AB is a congruent to segment AC. Now see this here. Antecedent. Altitudes drawn on the two sides of a triangle are congruent. That is, in triangle ABC, segment BM is a perpendicular to AC and M is in between A and C. Segment CN is a perpendicular on AB, that is, N is in between A and B. Segment BM is congruent to segment CN. Now the consequent, what will happen then? Those two sides are congruent. Which sides? Side AB is congruent to side AC. Side AB is congruent to side AC. Okay. And in this way, we have completed problem set 1. Now we will see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.